What's up, everyone? Sean here from Crypto and Cause Investing, back with your daily crypto update for April 22nd. But let's not waste any time and hop right in. We have a current crypto market cap of 1.162 trillion, a 24-hour trading volume of 40.5 billion, a BTC dominance of 45.6%, and an ETH dominance of 19.3%. Let's hop down, see what our favorite cryptos are doing. We have Bitcoin down from the 30,000 mark to 27,479. Ethereum underneath the 2,000 mark to 1865. BNB holding strong around the 330 down to 328. XRP taking a hit below the 50-cent mark, 2.46%. Dogecoin, after riding that high news of being the Twitter logo instead of the bird, reaching 10 cents down to 8 cents, threatening to go back down to that 7-cent mark. Let's take a look at DeFi. Current DeFi market cap is 54.2 billion. Trading volume is 3 billion. Down pretty significantly, 21.88%. But as I said on my short update, that is to be expected over the weekend. DeFi in particular tends to suffer over the weekend. You know, everyone's off of work. Everyone wants to spend time with the family, which is completely fine. But it does kind of take a hit. But Mondays and Tuesdays, we tend to see that start going back up. Some of the top gainers, even though they're pretty much flat, Shore is at 2.90%, Ampo is at 2.19%, and Inbox is at 1.88%. Check out our crypto fear and greed. We are neutral today at 53. Yesterday we were neutral at 50. Last week we were greedy at 68, and last month we were greedy at 57. So something we're going to do a little bit new. Instead of just reporting news, we're going to go ahead and report news articles, news headlines, see what's going on in the world of crypto other than just giving hard numbers. So first one, will crypto recover? Crypto always recovers. This has been the media doing their scare tactic. For whatever reason, they have it out against crypto. Every single bear market, it's will crypto ever recover? Is it gone forever? It's going to recover. It's going to go back up. Crypto has been around for years and years, over a decade now, for a reason. People love it. Every single month, every single year, it's growing and growing. Ignore the news articles asking when will crypto recover. It's just the media playing it up. Come on over to our next headline, XRP price prediction as Unknown Whale moves 30 million XRP into new wallet. Said this on my videos before. Be really careful with XRP. Anytime you're dealing with a token that has a lawsuit behind it, it can go up really fast and go down really fast. If there is big news and you do start seeing it moon, in my non-financial advice, make sure to secure your profits, because like this whale right here, they are in it for the profit, they are in it for the money, and they will sell. So just make sure to protect yourself and realize that it's okay to just take profits. You're not going to make millions and millions of dollars off of one play. So make sure to protect your gains when you have them. And my non-financial advice, of course. See what else we have going on. Bitcoin price prediction as 20 billion trading volume comes in. Is now a good time to buy BTC. Obviously, the price goes up, price goes down. In my opinion, Bitcoin is always a good thing to buy. Their chart typically tends to go up. It's down right now, but if you go look at the whole totality of Bitcoin since it launched, it's kind of like real estate. It's pretty much gone up. If you believe in Bitcoin and you are investing in Bitcoin for the long term being the key word, not short term, not a swing trade, the long term, you will more than likely over the course of the next 5 years, next 10 years, you will see major profits in your gains, because Bitcoin has done nothing but going up and up and up since launch. Of course, it's an investment. It's a roller coaster. It always has its down, but in the grand scheme of things, in the long term, it goes up. Of course, in the short term, it fluctuates, but in the long term, it goes up. So if you are a long-term investor in Bitcoin like I am, always a good time to buy. Just like real estate. When's a good time to buy? Now. Now is always a good time to buy in real estate, because the real estate market only goes up. Of course, in the short term, there's always corrections, but in the long term, it only goes up. I think the same thing applies to Bitcoin. So which here's a good representation of the chart. It's flat, goes up, kind of flat, goes up, kind of flat. And we will no doubt see this go back up. Another thing I wanted to touch on, Bitcoin Whale moves nearly 8 million after 10 years of inactivity. It looks like they didn't move everything. So they had a full wallet of 31.6 million that's been dormant, and they took 279 BTC to 3 new wallet addresses. there could be a million things going on. They can be separating it because they plan on selling this wallet at this point, this wallet at that price point. They can be separating it for kids. They could be separating it for grandkids. There's no telling what's going on with this. More power to this person. I mean, they bought Bitcoin at $12 and $195. Now it's worth $31.6 million. They held way longer than I would. Who knows the reason behind the holding? Could have lost the keys for all we know and just found them. But I do actually kind of like hearing these stories. Sometimes they tell these stories. Oh, 31.6 million is about to be taken from liquidity of Bitcoin. Doesn't scare me. Like I said, I love hearing these stories. Good for this person. They made a great investment, and now they have, to a certain extent, generational wealth for them, for their family, for their kids, for their grandkids. So really good to hear. That will do it, though, for today's update. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Growing tremendously fast on this channel. Within a month, we've already hit 1,500 subscribers. We're going to keep the token reviews coming, the updates coming. We're going to keep everything coming. The Decoding DeFi, we have episodes with interviews with Squid Grow Joe. We have an interview with Chris from Vault DeFi. We have an interview with YouTuber Matt Wallace. We just did one. We're going to drop. We took a break from the interviews to talk security, talk scams, the do's and the don'ts of DeFi. You're going to want to go ahead and check that out, especially if you're newer to DeFi. But until next time, trade safe.